Ma'am, please check. Ma'am, check please.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am. Okay, okay, fine, fine.
Okay, okay. Yes, beta. Yesterday someone asked me to show the potato, buds on the potato. So you can pin my video. So you can see this is the potato, and you can see the new plant has started growing from the eye of the potato. Eye of the potato is called bud. Okay, जो buds होती हैं potato plant पे, we call them eyes, and each eye can give rise to the new plant. Okay, you can see another one also. See, यहाँ पे भी आप देख सकते हो छोटा सा जो plant है, it has started growing from the eye, or we can say from the bud of the potato. This you can do at your home. आप भी रख सकते हो. You have to cut the potato and you have to put it in water for a few days. It should not be whole part of the potato should not dip in the water. Only half part of the potato should be there inside the water. So this way you can grow the new plant. Now I'm going to share the screen. Yes, I want to tell you that okay, you have to perform the activities at home and you have to show the videos. You can send me the videos. Okay, what you how have you performed that activity, that you can show me. Yes, beta, we are doing the chapter number 3 now. Hope chapter 1 is clear to you. And the topics we have done yesterday, the topics we did yesterday, they are clear to you. Clear? And today, first of all, write down in the chat box what do you mean by the first aid. This is done yesterday. What do you mean by the first aid? What is first aid? Write it in the chat box. Chat box में लिखिए what is first aid. It is the, yes, first help. It is the first help given to an injured person before the doctor arrives. Clear? Immediate help given to an injured person is called first aid. What is first aid? An immediate help given to an injured person before the arrival of a doctor. Before the doctor arrives, the first help, जो भी हम किसी की help करते हैं, that is called first help. And you know why do we give this first aid? Why? What is the motive to give the first aid? क्यों हम first aid देते हैं किसी को? In order to save the life of that person. If someone is injured, then to save the life of that person, we provide the first aid and it prevents the further harm. And to provide help to recover that injury. वो जो इंजरी हुई है, it becomes normal, जल्दी नॉर्मल हो जाती है if the first aid is, if the proper first aid is provided to that person. अगर किसी को हम first aid proper time पे दे देते हैं तो वो जो इसकी उसकी जो इंजरी हुई है, it doesn't get worsen, वो worse condition में नहीं जाती, it recovers easily. Okay, जल्दी वो recover हो जाती है if the proper first aid is provided and it saves the life of that person. That is the main motive to give the first aid to someone. Okay, so why do we give the first aid? Why do we provide the first aid? In order to save the life of an injured person so that it recovers easily. The injury recovers easily. And we must know how to help an injured person. Okay, because first aid for different conditions, for different injuries is different. First aid for different situations is different. We should give first aid only if we know how to give it properly. Otherwise, it can be dangerous also. Clear? हमें किस कंडीशन में कैसे फर्स्ट एड देनी है, वी विल लर्न अबाउट ऑल दैट टुडे. क्लियर? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल से द केस ऑफ बर्न्स. अगर बर्न हुआ है तो व्हाट कैन बी डन. उस पर्सन को जिसको बर्न हुआ है, जिसका कोई बॉडी पार्ट बर्न हो गया है, उसको हमें कैसे फर्स्ट एड देनी है. तो सबसे पहले व्हाट शुड बी डू, वी शुड पुट दैट पार्ट इफ द माइनर बर्न इज देयर. अगर ज्यादा बर्न नहीं हुआ तो हमें क्या करना है, वी शुड पुट दैट बर्न्ड एरिया अंडर द कोल्ड वाटर इमीडिएटली. एकदम से हमने टैप खोल के जो बर्न्ड एरिया है इट शुड बी केप्ट अंडर द वाटर. पानी खोल के पानी में उसको ठंडे पानी में रख देना है एकदम से, सो दैट द बर्न्ट एरिया गेट्स कूल्ड. वो ठंडा हो जाता है बर्न्ट एरिया एंड वी विल गेट रिलीफ फ्रॉम द पेन. तो हमें वो पेनफुल नहीं होता एंड ब्लिस्टर्स आर नॉट फॉर्म्ड. तो वहां पे छाले भी नहीं पड़ेंगे. क्लियर? बट इफ द बर्न इज मेजर, थोड़े ब्लिस्टर्स बन गए हैं, तो वी शुड टेक केयर कि वी डोंट हैव टू प्रिक द ब्लिस्टर्स. हमें उनकी प्रिकिंग नहीं करनी. उनमें से वाटरी लिक्विड फिल्ड होता है ना, तो उसको बाहर नहीं निकालना. बट इफ बाय चांस इट गेट्स प्रिक हो गया है, देन wash the area with soap and water and cover it with the clean cloth so that dust cannot enter, germs cannot enter that part. Okay, if minor burns are there, we should put the burnt area under cold water. And if blisters are formed, then do not prick the blisters. Then after that, if the blisters are pricked, then we should have to wash that area with soap and water. We should put a clean cloth on that part. We can dip that cloth in the baking soda solution. Baking soda होता है ना किचन में, तो उसका सोल्यूशन बनाकर पानी में उसमें क्लीन क्लॉथ को डिप करके वी कैन यूज दैट क्लॉथ, पीस ऑफ क्लॉथ आल्सो. वो कपड़ा भी हम उसको कवर करने के लिए यूज कर सकते हैं. एंड आफ्टर दैट वी हैव टू कंसल्ट द डॉक्टर आल्सो. क्लियर? देन इन केस ऑफ द इफ द बर्न इज ड्यू टू अ केमिकल, एसिड की वजह से अगर बर्न हुआ है, then if burns are due to chemicals, then that area should be washed with plenty of water. तो हमें वहां पे plenty of water means बहुत सारा पानी से उस एरिया को वॉश करना चाहिए to dilute the acid. जो एसिड है वो डाइल्यूट हो जाएगा, तो it will be less effective in that case. अगर केमिकल पड़ा है, अगर केमिकल गिर गया है, एसिड गिर गया किसी के ऊपर, तो क्या करना है, वी शुड यूज प्लेंटी ऑफ वाटर. वी शुड वॉश द एरिया विद प्लेंटी ऑफ वाटर. देन इमीडिएटली द पेशेंट शुड बी टेकन टू द डॉक्टर. एकदम से उसके बाद उस पेशेंट को कहाँ पे लेके जाना है, टू द डॉक्टर. क्लियर? सो वी शुड नो हाउ टू गिव द फर्स्ट एड if it is the case of burns. Then next is first aid for a wound or a cut. अगर cut लग गया तो how can we help that person? For a minor burn, wash the area with soap and water to remove the dirt. सबसे पहले अगर हल्का सा कट लगा है, ब्लीडिंग कम हो रही है, तो what can be done? We should have to wash the area with soap and water so that dirt can be removed, and then we have to apply a band-aid, or we can apply an antiseptic lotion or cream. बीटाडीन लगा सकती हो. You can apply Dettol also, Savlon also. We should keep our first aid kit ready. फर्स्ट एड किट में आपके बैंडेड और सेवलॉन और कॉटन ये सब होना चाहिए, सो दैट यू कैन हेल्प अ पर्सन इफ देयर इज अ कट, ओके, और देयर इज अ केस ऑफ minor wound is there, so we can apply band-aid like this. Clear? Then if there is a deep cut, अगर डीप कट है and there is heavy bleeding, what can you do? Then you have to apply a tourniquet. What is tourniquet? Tourniquet is a tight band which is applied to stop the heavy bleeding. And where do we apply it? कहाँ पे हम अप्लाई करते हैं? Just above the cut. जहाँ पे कट लगा है, जहाँ पे ब्लीडिंग हो रही है, the part where cut is there, so just above that part we have to apply a tourniquet. If you don't have a tourniquet, then what will you do? Write it in the chat box. अगर आपके पास tourniquet नहीं है at that time, तो what can you do? If somebody if some cut is there and it's heavily bleeding, उसकी उस पे बहुत bleeding हो रही है, you want to apply a tourniquet, but tourniquet is not there, then what can you do? Yes, very good. You can use a handkerchief or any piece of cloth. एंटीसेप्टिक से ब्लीडिंग बंद नहीं होगी. योर फर्स्ट एम इज टू स्टॉप ब्लीडिंग. तो ब्लीडिंग कैसे स्टॉप होगी? जब प्रेशर पड़ेगा. तो प्रेशर कैसे पड़ेगा? व्हेन वी अप्लाई टॉनिक्वेट. टॉनिक्वेट नहीं है तो यू कैन यूज योर हैंकरचीफ और दुपट्टा ऑल्सो. तो वो जैसे आप पिक्चर में देख रहे हो ना, टॉनिक्वेट अप्लाई किया हुआ है, तो ये एक टाइट बैंड होता है. समटाइम्स व्हेन यू गो टू अ डॉक्टर, आपका ब्लड टेस्ट होना होता है, तो ब्लड लेते हैं ना आपकी वो, तो आर्म के ऊपर आपके यहाँ पे वो एक टाइट बैंड बांध देते हैं, दैट इज टॉनिक्वेट. इट अप्लाइज प्रेशर. क्लियर? तो आपका जहाँ पे कट लगा है, जस्ट अबव दैट कट आपने क्या अप्लाई करना है? टॉनिक्वेट. टॉनिक्वेट नहीं है तो टाइट बैंड. Okay, so tourniquet puts the pressure on that area and it helps to stop the bleeding. Then after that, you have to wash that area. You can apply antiseptic lotion or cream. Then after that, you have to go to doctor. You have to take the patient to the doctor if bleeding does not stop. अगर फिर भी ब्लीडिंग बंद नहीं हो रही है तो यू शुड कंसल्ट अ डॉक्टर. क्लियर? सो माइनर कट है तो you can apply band-aid after washing the area with soap and water. And if there is deep cut, then you have to apply a tourniquet. If tourniquet is not there, you can use handkerchief or dupatta also. Then apply an antiseptic and consult a doctor. Clear? Then if there is a snake bite, स्नेक बाइट की जो ट्रीटमेंट है, जो फर्स्ट एड है, हाउ कैन यू गिव इट? Snakes are usually poisonous. Snake bite is usually poisonous because why is it dangerous? Because it affects the heart and nervous system. Clear? Snake के केस में क्या होते हैं? There are two teeth in the mouth of the snake. These teeth are not used to chew the food because it swallows the food without chewing. ये उसकी swallow करता है फूड को, chew नहीं करता खाना अपना, but ये क्या करता है? These teeth are called fangs and they are used to bite a person. जब अगर ये कुछ dangerous feel करता है, then it bites the person, and when it bites the person, it injects the poison through these fangs. जैसे इंजेक्शन लगाते हैं ना सिरिंज में से, सुई में से निकलती है मेडिसिन, तो सेम वे इसके जब बाइट करते हैं तो फैंग्स में से पॉइजन निकलती है विच इज इंजेक्टेड इनटू द ब्लड ऑफ दैट पर्सन. When this poison reaches our heart and nerves, it is very dangerous. Some body part can be paralyzed. Nerves पे इफेक्ट होता है तो हार्ट पे इफेक्ट होता है तो पर्सन मे डाई ऑल्सो. So what we have to do? We have to stop the spreading of poison in the blood. What can be done in that case? We have to apply a tonic weight. टॉनिक वेट नहीं है तो हमें टाइटली हैंकी और जो भी कपड़ा हमारे पास है वी हैव टू अप्लाई दैट. Tie a band tightly above the place of snake bite. जहाँ पे स्नेक ने बाइट किया है उसके जस्ट ऊपर आपने बहुत टाइटली करके हैंकरचीफ और टॉनिक वेट को अप्लाई करना है सो दैट पॉइजन spreading of the poison can be prevented. Poison should not reach the heart. Okay, it should not reach the nervous system. So what can be done? We can apply a cut also. जहाँ पे bite किया है उस एरिया पे कट लगा के we can squeeze the poison out and we can spit it. मुंह से उसको हम क्या कर सकते हैं? We can squeeze the blood. वहां से blood मुंह में fill करके then we have to spit it. उसको बाहर throw कर देना है. Or what else we can do? We can apply the tight band to prevent the spreading of poison. Then after that immediately we have to consult the doctor. We have to take the patient to the doctor. What do we call the poison of the snake? Venom. क्या कहते हैं हम उसे? Venom. तो we have to be very careful and we have to take the patient to the doctor immediately after applying tonic weight. You have to apply it tightly. Okay, tight band should be there above the place of snake bite. Okay, then if there is the case of a dog bite, how can we apply the first aid? First of all, we must know that we should not play with the stray dogs. जो बाहर डॉग होते हैं उनके साथ हमें उनको नहीं प्ले करना. Cats also. Dog bite should not be ignored. If the dog bites, though, it should not be ignored because in the saliva of the dog there are germs. We call them germs of rabies. Rabies is a dreaded disease. ये खतरनाक बीमारी होती है. It causes the death of the person also. It is fatal. Okay, it may cause the death of the person. So in that case, we should go to the doctor for anti-rabies treatment. What first aid can be provided in case of dog bite? If there is a case of dog bite, first of all, clean the area with water, apply an antiseptic cream or lotion, then consult a doctor for the proper anti-rabies treatment. What happens when the patient is suffering from this rabies? तो rabies में क्या होता है? The germs of rabies are present in the saliva of dog. When it bites, the germs are entered your body and it attacks the nervous system. Okay, आपकी बुक में 33 पेज पे देखो इस गिवन डू यू नो में दिया हुआ है. तो germs of rabies they attack the nervous system. Person becomes restless. Okay, severe pain is there in the severe headache is there. बहुत ज़्यादा headache होती है. Person becomes restless and there is excessive salivation from the mouth of that dog or the person. मुंह से बहुत ज़्यादा पानी आता है and the person he or she has a fear of water condition is called hydrophobia. Hydro means water and phobia means डर. तो पेशेंट को, जो रेबीज का पेशेंट है, उसको पानी से डर लगता है एंड it causes the death of that person also if it is not treated at time. So we should not ignore the dog bite because live of dog has germs of rabies. Clear? So after cleaning the bitten area with water, soap, and then we have to apply antiseptic, then we must consult a doctor for anti-rabies treatment. Okay? Then next, what is a fracture? Fracture means, okay, धैर्य आपको काटा था तो आपने डॉक्टर कंसल्ट किया था बेटा? You must have taken injections, anti-rabies injections. Clear? So what is fracture? Fracture means broken bones. Sometimes due to an accident, sometimes we fall at home in the washroom, etc. And there may be the case of fracture, means bones may get broken. Clear? जब bone टूट जाती है तो we say कि there is fracture, like you are looking in the picture. Bones are broken means fracture हुआ है. तो what first aid, how can we help the patient if there is fracture? So first of all, we should take care that we don't have to move the fractured part. It's very painful. Okay, swelling is there over the area where there is fracture. Fracture वाले fractured part के ऊपर swelling हो जाती है. It's painful also, but we have to do, we don't have to move that fractured area. How can we prevent the movement? By using a sling or a splint. Clear? जो आपको पिक्चर में दिख रहा है, that is a splint. Splint means, what do you mean by splint? Splint is the strip of rigid material which is used for supporting and immobilizing a broken bone. It is used to prevent the movement of the broken bone. It is made up of rigid material. Like you can see, यहाँ पे दो wooden strips लगी हुई हैं, wooden hard strips लगी हुई हैं. We can use the piece of cardboard also. We can wrap the piece of newspaper also in order to prevent the movement of the broken bone. Clear? So this is splint. Splint means we have to prevent the movement by using some hard material. उन्होंने दो wooden strips को बांधा हुआ है around the broken bone, so that we can prevent the movement of this part. Clear? What else can be done? What can be done if there is fracture in the arm? What should be used? Write it in the chat box. Yes. You must have seen if someone's broken. Yes, very good. Sling can be used. Okay. Sling and splint both can be used, or we can use a sling in order to prevent the movement of the bone if the fracture is in the arm. We can go for a plaster also. Clear? But after, even if in the case fracture is in the arm, so even then we have to use a sling. Sling is a triangular piece of cloth looped around the neck. आप देख रहे हो ना, वो ग्रीन कलर का जो क्लोथ बांधा हुआ है, लूप किया हुआ है अराउंड द नेक, that is to prevent the movement of the bone and to give support to that arm. Otherwise हम थक जाएंगे, we cannot hold it, but with the help of a sling we can rest the arm in the sling, and it helps to prevent the movement of the broken part. तो ब्रोकन पार्ट की जो मूवमेंट है इट स्टॉप्स by using a sling. Sling is triangular piece of cloth that is looped around the neck. Clear? एंड इस पिक्चर में आपको और क्या दिख रहा है? स्लिंग भी दिख रही है और स्लिंग के साथ और क्या दिख रहा है? That is also used, that is wrapped around the arm. What is this? This is splint. Good answer. Splint is also used and sling is also used in this picture. So splint is made up of hard material. It is used to prevent the movement of the broken bone. Okay, beta. Now next is what is sprain and what first aid can be given in case of a sprain. What is sprain, beta? सुना है आपने कभी किसी को मोच आई हो? What is sprain? When there is twist in the ankle or wrist. या तो कलाई मुड़ जाती है और या फिर मोच, ठीक है, एंकल में मुड़ जाती है और देयर इज स्वेलिंग इन दैट पार्ट, ओके, एंड इट्स वेरी पेनफुल. इस केस में भी यू डोंट हैव टू मूव दैट पार्ट. Twist in the ankle or wrist is called sprain. It's painful, it swells up. These are the symptoms of the sprain. And what should we do? We should rest the injured part. We don't have to move that part. We have to wrap an elastic bandage around that swollen part. And before that, we can soak this part in cold water for the first day. And second day onwards, we can put it in slightly warm water twice a day. It will help the patient to give the heat to that part. उस part को heat मिलेगी and it the further he can get relief from the pain. उसकी pain कम हो जाती है and within a few days it will be recovered. उसकी जो recovery हो जाती है. So we can wrap an elastic bandage to prevent the movement. We can soak it first day in the cold water and then second day onwards in the hot water. Clear? बाद में इसे hot water में we can put it. Clear? Now this is how can be applied. Ice pack can be applied after putting a few cubes of ice in the piece of cloth. We can put on the injured part, and in the second case we can wrap an elastic bandage to give relief from the pain, and it can help the patient to get it recovered easily. Clear? That's all about today. Now if you have any query regarding this, so you can ask me right now. If you want to say something, if some point is not clear to you, you can ask me right now. You can raise hand. Ma'am will unmute you. Ji beta, you want to ask something? Yes, raise hand beta. Yes, Arshdeep Kaur, unmute yourself. Arshdeep.
मैम गलती से हैंड रेज हो गया था. मैम एक्सक्यूज